Salete. Grab a packet. Here we go. You did imperatives when you were in Latin too, but we're just going to do a little refresh, okay? Imperatives are commands. Sit. Don't sit. Those are commands. Pretty straightforward. Imperatives technically are a different mood. So you have indicative mood, which is regular statements, subjunctive, which is hypothetical, intentative, and imperative mood, which are commands. Cool? Remember, commands, be it in English or Latin, have an understood subject. So if I said sit, you are assuming I am talking to whoever I'm staring at, probably you. Or if I tell you, make me a sandwich, you are assuming the subject is you. That's the point of a command, okay? So the positive singular command, all you have to do is remove the RE from an infinitive. So if ambulare is to walk, if I want to tell you walk, I'll just say ambula. Or if venire is to come, if I want to tell you come here, I'll say veni. Or sedere is to sit, I would say sede. Sit. To make anything plural in Latin, just add a te to the singular. In other words, if, sorry, I can't type add a te to the singular. So we took off the re from the infinitive. So if you want to think about it, you can just change the re to a te. This one's easy for y'all because we yell "Salete" all the time. So if I want to tell all of you to walk, I'll yell "Ambulate." Or all of you to come here, "Venite." Or all of you to sit, "Sedete." That's probably one you've heard before in your Latin life. Sedete. Salete. Walete. That te is probably the easiest thing for y'all to remember because of the plural. Same thing, the te is going to be here of the negative. Now, negative command is don't do something. Don't sit, don't shout. It's going to be noli, which literally means be unwilling, plus the infinitive. So be unwilling to sleep, be unwilling to walk. But we would never translate it like that. We would just say, don't walk. Don't sit. Noli sedere. Crazy people. Notice that I'm not touching the infinitive. I'm leaving ambulare as ambulare. Got it? Like, don't touch it. Guess what I'm going to add the te to? I hope you said the noli, because we're not touching the infinitive. Nolite ambulare. Everybody don't walk. Nolite sedere. Everybody don't sit. The key to recognizing an imperative, your punctuation is helpful because the exclamation mark, noticing something's in quotes and doesn't have your typical endings of OST, or RS terminiantur. Those typical endings tell you who your subject is. If you don't have that, you're probably in an imperative. Check for punctuation. Check that you're in, like, for example, check you're in quotes. Look at this, Anna. Noli me relinquere. That is, I'm going to do noli and relinquere. The fact that noli, is it singular or plural? Hope you said singular. We're going to put don't leave. Anna, don't leave me. Dic me. Tell me. Does it end in a te? Nope, that makes it singular. Aeneas, decine me incendere. Decine is your imperative. Does it end in a te? No? Oh, okay. Then it's singular. I'm going to save translation for another day. Excadete. Do you see that te? Yeah. It's plural. Mitete. Do you see the te? Yeah, it's plural. And accepete. Do you see that te? Guess what? It's plural. If you will remember, imperatives are frequently accompanied by vocatives. The vocative is the case used when calling someone by name or title. So if you go through, if you see in quotes a name or a title, that's how you know it's vocative. And I said, which 3 sentences contain a vocative? But fun fact, I gave you 4. I didn't know if you would know that D, the gods, is a vocative. I knew you'd catch on to Tyrii, Aeneas, and Anna, but I didn't know if you'd catch on to D. Anyway, I hope that helps you with your notes. Enjoy your digital learning day. Walete.